Hello everyone and welcome to the 22nd match in round 1 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Creative Kids Learning Academy from St. Andrew up against Polyground Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Sheldon Reed, and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Creative Kids Learning Academy won. They decided to go first. So Creative Kids, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes between Hosea and Amos?
Jonah.
Repeat for me.
Jonah.
Incorrect. Joel. Bible knowledge to you, Polyground Primary. Which book of the Bible comes between Ecclesiastes and Isaiah?
Jeremiah.
Incorrect. Songs of Solomon. Creative Kids, science. How many legs does a cockroach have?
6.
Correct. Science to you, Polyground. How many legs does a spider have?
8.
Correct. International affairs to you, Creative Kids. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Brown.
John Brown.
Incorrect. Hubert Minnis, Prime Minister of Bahamas. International affairs to you, Polyground. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
David Granger.
Incorrect. Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Ralph Gonsalves. English language to you, Creative Kids. Give a 6-letter word starting with S, which is an antonym for the word plentiful.
Scarce.
Correct. English language to you, Polyground. Give a 7-letter antonym starting with P for the word wealth.
Poor.
Incorrect. Poverty. Creative Kids, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Brown.
Incorrect. Terrell Williams. Television to you, Polyground Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Michael Johnson.
Incorrect. Bradley Perry. General knowledge for Creative Kids. In which country is the Arc de Triomphe?
France.
Correct. Polyground Primary, general knowledge. In which country is Loch Ness located?
United States of America.
Incorrect. Scotland. Creative Kids, social studies. In which Caribbean country is the Berbice River?
Barbados.
Incorrect. Guyana. Social studies to you, Polyground. In which Caribbean country is Mount Obama?
Bahamas.
Incorrect. Antigua and Barbuda. Creative Kids, music. What is the stage name of the Jamaican gospel artist Tyrone Thompson?
Chronics.
Incorrect. Papa San. Music to you, Polyground. What is the stage name of the Jamaican gospel artist Howard Reynolds?
Gotti.
Correct. Creative Kids, mathematics. What is 0.35 converted to a fraction in its lowest term?
Seven over 20.
Correct. Mathematics to you, Polyground. What is 0.14 converted to a fraction in its lowest term?
7 over 15.
Correct. And that is the end of Section 1. The scores currently read Creative Kids Learning Academy on 4 points and Polyground Primary on 3 points. But before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, try to be upbeat even when all is not going well. Think positively when studying or heading into an exam. Stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.